Application of differential calculus. Hello students, here the topic is very interesting. We usually come across in our daily life some changes that we try to calculate those changes, and to calculate any change we use differential calculus. Some of those applications we are going to discuss in this video. I would ask you to subscribe, like and share my channel if you like this video. In mathematics, differential calculus is a subfield of calculus that studies the rate at which quantity changes. So wherever the rate at which the quantity changes, we shall use this differential calculus method. The first example we would take is the calculus is used to calculate the modeling of motion of the rocket. The formula hereby is P dash is equals to D by dt mv, where m is the mass and v is the velocity of the object, and it changes with respect to time. The second example is the calculus is used in the field of medicine, where the doctor used to calculate the rate of change of tumor growth in a human body or a patient by using the formula d by dt of v, where v is the volume of a tumor that is grown in a patient body, and it is grown with respect to time is being calculated. Engineers do use this applications of differential calculus in constructing the buildings and bridges of any large number. The fuel used by the car is defined by the formula f of x is 3 by 80 v square minus ev plus 245. To calculate the least amount of fuel, we use the formula and we differentiate the given formula and then take f dash of v as 0. Comparing those equations, we get the answer of v is equals to 80. This means that the most economic speed of a car is 80 km per hour according to differential calculus. And it can be plotted by using the graph as shown here. Biologists use this differential calculus to determine the extra rate of growth in bacteria culture when different variables such as temperature has been taken. For example, we can take the present situation where the patients are being taken a coronavirus sample. A sample is being collected to find whether the patient is being affected by COVID-19 or the patient doesn't have a COVID-19. So here a bacteria culture test can help find harmful bacteria in your body. During the bacteria culture test, a sample is taken from the blood, urine, skin or other part of the body to check the growth of the bacteria within the body. Astronomers do use this differential calculus to find the motion of the rocket and to find the motion of the meteoroids. And when they are designing the pump, the differential calculus is being used. So when to find the flow rate of the head is being calculated by using differential calculus, and these are the formulas which you use to design the pump. Calculus is also used in finding out the birth and death rate of the population of any country, and it has been described by the graph. And calculating birth and death rate can be plotted by using a bar graph or a graph of different types. So here we use the differential calculus to find out the rate of growth of death or rate of growth of birth in any country. The world population percentage is also calculated and been plotted in a pie chart. So thank you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope everybody had understood what are the applications of differential calculus in our daily life. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you do like my video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.